Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is a box that I got early tracking on, and for some reason it's one of the last boxes that is arriving for the month of March of 2022. It is absolutely fantastic. So this is the Macys box. This is a really unique box. What's nice about this box is it's usually only filled with deluxe sample sizes, but they're usually the higher end, which I call department store makeup, which is where when I started enjoying makeup, that was where I went. I used to go to the department store counters, and the girls behind the counters would, help me decide on which brands and things like that. It brings me back such memories to be able to go into the department stores. It was such a luxurious thing to do at that time, and it was always a treat. So the fact that Macys has a box and it's only $15, and they fill it with a lot of products, and sometimes there's full size in here. They always give a coupon card that you're able to use for future purchases, and sometimes there's a little bonus item in here that has nothing to do with beauty, and there's one in this month's box as well. So it does come with a card. It gives us all the information that's inside there, and on the back of the card, it's of this brochure. It says open, have fun, and repeat. This is your monthly beauty fix. It's here. They're saying they have chosen the top brands of essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now and then love them forever. So this is a sneak peek of what we are going to be getting inside this box. I also share with you spoilers in reference to this box as well. And what's nice is we usually all get the same items in here, so we all get to really enjoy. So the bonus item that I was talking about this time around is this one that's called Girl Power. And it's just a cute little, lined booklet, which I think is absolutely fantastic. I think I'm going to be using this now for when I, upload and things like that. I have a loose leaf papers that I've been tearing out and stapling them together, but I think I'm going to be using this. I think this is really cute, and I love the pink, and I love everything about it. So like I said, this is not part of the count. This is a bonus item that they've put in this $15 box. This month, the coupon is $5. And in reference to this, it's on your next $20 plus beauty purchase. There's always so many fantastic deals going online that I've seen from Macys, and I've shared a lot of them to you, that there's sometimes these Macys exclusives, and those are fantastic bundles that they put together, some companies, and I've shared with them on my channel with you guys also. So I always like getting these coupons to be able to use. All right, so they're saying this month's box has a $51 value. Like I've mentioned, this is $15. And if when you go in and you sign up, they don't usually let you sign up for the month that we're in. It's usually a wait list that will start you up the next month. When I went on initially, when I signed up with this box, I was on a wait list for a few months. Then I stopped the box, and then when I restarted up the box, and I've only been getting this for about 3 or 4 months now, and that has been fantastic. They put me on the wait list, and I was taken off right away the following month. So just giving you, how it worked for me. So this one says it's a $51 value. It says, let's go girls. It's Women's History Month. You know what that means. Putting a bright spot on your beauty items with female-owned brands that they absolutely adore. So the first item that was in here is a full-size item, and it came in this gorgeous little box, and it is called Natasha Moor. It is a Warrior Face Blender Sponge. Excuse me, it's the end of the day. And it says, an artist is nothing without the right tool. So get equipped with a microfiber makeup sponge that truly understands the assignment for a larger surface buffs and blends foundation to perfection. while it has the angles that aid to precision with these smaller under eye areas. This alone is a $16 value, and they're saying to dampen the sponge and then watch it work wonders. I use sponges two ways. Some sponges I use that are microfiber that I use them not wet, and some I will use wet. This feels as soft as if it's been dampened. So you'll make that decision when you play with it, but it has fantastic angles on it. It has that point, it has the rounded, and it also has the square edges, which are great if you want to also clean up around the edges as well. So it has all the right angles to it, and it feels really, really nice. So excited to try a new brand, and it's always great to get sponges. The next item here, what a game changer. Beauty Blender helped with the industry with these makeup sponges. I don't think there's one application now that I don't use a beauty sponge. Even if I start off with brushes, I always end up with the beauty sponge at the end. The next item here is from this brand called Nude Sticks. When we looked at some of the spoilers on this, the full size that I shared with you guys had a brush on one side and the other product on the actual product on the other. On the sample size, it looks like we only have the actual item. There is no brush on the other end. This just helps turn it up and down. Let me just check here what is written about it. It says this is called the Nudies Bronze. It says, okay, contour, we see you. Go for that supple or full on sculpted with a bronzing balm that's rich in pigment but glides on the skin like a sun-kissed dream. It is a long-wearing formula with skin flawless without the flakiness. So don't be shy, snatch your cheekbones. They're saying the full size of this would be $34. It says swipe it onto the face and use bristle brushes to blend into the skin. Now I've seen other girls use this type of product. They either take it directly with the to the face like this. I've seen others that wanted it to be easier to blend, and they actually take the brush and they dab the brush onto the formula here, and they don't swipe it directly on. So it's really, I guess, just preference to this. I also don't know if everyone got the exact same color, and let me just check here if there is a color on here. It says Nudies all over face bronzer color, and I do not see a color on here. It just, oh, maybe. This one says shade Bondi Bay. So I'll have to check the website out and see if they have other colors, but this is the shade that I received in mine, and that is the color here. So I don't remember filling out, I think, any profile or anything like that, but I might be wrong. So if you're part of Macys, tell me if there's a beauty profile. They would have known like which colors when it comes to skin tone and stuff like that. But I think that's a beautiful color, and I think it will work perfectly for me. So I will play, and excited to get that. And NudeStix is a really great brand as well. The next item is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this comes in this little box here. And what's great about this one, the shade that I got on this one is medium brown. And what's great about these with the sample sizes of Anastasia Beverly Hills is they still put the spoolie in here as well, which to me is such an important part of a brow pencil. So one side will be the pencil and the other side will be the spoolie. This one is, it says, yes, the one and only Brow Wiz came to our beauty box near you. This is a cult classic. It says, design your detail and define your brows to your heart's desire with a pigmented, long-lasting formula that mimics hairs for a natural polished makeup look. The full size of this would be $23, and it says use short strokes and a light touch to fill in the brow, then blend with a spoolie brush for the even color. I have so many of these open. I should have brought one out here so I could show you the color, but what I can tell you is with these, you twist it up, and it comes on like it's a really fine point. And what's great about it is the lighter you press, it gives you more like a taupey eye. So if you are lighter than a medium brown like me, just use a lighter hand to it. And I find the harder you press, the darker the pigment will come out. So if you ended up with a color that you felt was too dark in your box, that's the best way that I could suggest that you could still enjoy this product, because it is such a good one. The next item in here is on the next page. And this is one that I already have. So I'm gonna leave the one that's in the box here into my gifts for later. I think we're gonna have a special extra bonus giveaway this month, because we have so many products that I have duplicates of. And we already had a fantastic giveaway going on this month because my brother so generously got up early and went to Whole Foods and picked up their special bundles this month. And we got an extra one that I was able to do a giveaway on the channel. So hopefully if you haven't seen that video or signed up for that giveaway, that you do, because it's a really good one. But I have so much extra duplicates this month that I think I might be doing something different in reference to my giveaway, as opposed to waiting again, because I'm surprised with how much I have that I already have the product. So this one here is this item here, and it's from Girlatik. And the one that comes in a beautiful retail packaging, this is mine, so the packaging is no longer. So this one is a rose oil petal gloss. It says, hear us out. This is a hydrating gloss that isn't sticky. It has argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil come together in a high shine blend that boosts moisturize and creates a glassy finish. This is a $20 value. It is definitely full size. So it looks like we got 2 full sizes here this month. And it's plus that bonus book. It says, use it by itself or layer it over your favorite color. This is so beautiful, and so beautiful for gift giving. It looks like it's stunning. There are like loose petals in here, like from a flower. It is just beautiful. And that is the doe foot applicator that is inside here. And I'll just do a nice little swipe here. It really has no color to it, but it has a beautiful glossy finish, and it is not sticky, and it is really pretty. But like I said, the presentation on this alone is over the moon. And then the last item in here and is one that is called the Broken Top Candle Company. They're saying this is a sea salt surf eau de parfum roll-on. They're saying it is a soft, calm, and made for every day. This coastal scent is a necessity for your morning routines. It has an oil as well as an organic jojoba oil, as well as other essential oils to create the dynamic fragrance with notes of sea salt, jasmine, and wood. That sounds really nice. The full size of this is $26, but based on the picture, it looks like this might be just as, maybe the full size is just a little bit bigger than this, because the picture of this looks exactly the same. It says, this is spritz onto your pulse points or everywhere you want. We won't judge. Okay. All right. So this one is this item here. This is not a roll-on. So this must be a sample size of this. It smells really beautiful and very fresh. So let's just take a couple of drops out. Yeah. You just have to dab it, and then it ends up like that. Really beautiful. That is really beautiful. It is, oh wow. I don't even know how to explain this. It has like a sweetness to it, yet it's very sexy, and yet it's supple at the same time. It's very subtle. Really pretty. This is definitely something that, you know, if you don't want to put on perfume, but you just want to smell like nice, that's what this smell is. Wow, is that beautiful? Wow. Okay. So another brand that I've got to keep my eyes open for, called Broken Top Candle Company. I wonder if they also make candles with this scent. This is beautiful. And it says on here, wood, cream, and jasmine. And it's an eau de parfum. And it says it's a sample. And it says external use only. Fantastic. All right. So we got a full-size sponge from a brand new brand to me called Natasha Moor. We have the NudeStix, the color that I got. I will leave in the description box down below. I think it was called, this is something bronze, Bonnie, like I said, I'll leave it in the description box down below. I think it was Bonnie Babe or something. Then we have the medium brown Anastasia, the Beverly Hills, that has the spoolie on one side and the pencil on the other. A full size with a gorgeous, from Girlatik, a lip gloss. And then this sensuous, beautiful sea salt surf perfume that's from this brand called Broken Top Candle, and as well as the book from the Girl Power that we'll be able to use. So like I said, this is an absolute winning box for $15. I'm so happy that it is so attainable, and on top of it they give you that $5 coupon to be able to use in Macys. So I think that's absolutely fantastic, and that's for the month of March. So that's everything that I got in my box. Like I said, everybody should get the same, but share with me if you do get the box, if you got a different color on this Nudie stick. I would really love to know. Otherwise, I think, as well as on the eyebrow pencil. Otherwise, I think everybody would be getting the exact same item, just maybe the color will vary. And that's it. All right. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.